This hearing will determine whether the World Court has jurisdiction over the case filed by Guyana on March 29, 2018. By that case, Guyana seeks to obtain from the court a final and binding judgment that the 1899 arbitral award, which established the location of the land boundary between then British Guyana and Venezuela, remains valid and binding, and that Guyana's Essequibo region belongs to Guyana and not Venezuela. The hearing will begin from March 23 and last until March 27, according to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Guyana brought its case to the court following the decision by the Secretary-General of the United Nations in January 2018 that the controversy between Guyana and Venezuela should be decided by the International Court of Justice. Venezuela has claimed in a letter to the court that the Secretary-General exceeded his authority under the Geneva Agreement and that the court therefore lacks jurisdiction to adjudicate Guyana's lawsuit. On this basis, Venezuela has indicated that it will not participate in the proceedings. On November 19, 2018, Guyana submitted its memorial to the court refuting Venezuela's arguments and demonstrating that the court has jurisdiction. Under well-established judicial precedent, the court will proceed to decide if it has jurisdiction over Guyana's claims, irrespective of whether or not Venezuela participates in the proceedings. If it decides that it has jurisdiction, the court will proceed to rule on the merits of those claims and decide whether the validity of the 1899 arbitral award and the border between the two states should be confirmed. Under the United Nations Charter and the court's own rules, its final judgments both on jurisdiction and the merits will be legally binding on Guyana and Venezuela, whether or not Venezuela participates in the proceedings. Nevertheless, the Guyana government expresses the hope that Venezuela will participate. Moreover, the Guyana government said it welcomes the prospect of a final and binding decision by the court that will definitively resolve this long-standing controversy and allow Guyana and Venezuela to proceed to develop excellent and close relations as neighboring states. Reporting for the Evening News, I am Kristen Macklingam.